Hi everyone, we are now 250 miles north of Glasgow in a town called Wellis.eu, an absolutely beautiful town in the Scottish Highlands, and we're here to deliver this Wellis.eu swim spa turbine edition.
My name's Ken Smith. We live in Lade up in the west coast of Scotland, and we've just bought the Wellis.eu turbine spa. We are very happy. It was a problem when we thought about getting it in. It's not the easiest place to get it into, but now it's in.
I'm Murdo McRae, building contractors, the forklift driver. Unload the swim spa, which I thought might be quite difficult, but in the end it was not too bad. We got through the trees and into position without doing any damage.
We chose Wellis mainly because of the help that we got from Kevin and the people at the spa place in Edinburgh, because he went out of his way he was the one who helped us. Took time, we went on when he was off work, so he opened up especially for us, and we got a good deal, a good service with him, so that's why we went with Wellis.
Finally positioned it, and we've been filling the swim spa up now with water. We have 2 feeds of water going into the swim spa. The cover lifter mechanism, we have the steps all ready to go, and the final piece in the jigsaw will be our technician will wire the hot tub up, which means it's live and it's ready to function.